Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance, how to check in with EgyptAir, save time and amp, travel stress-free. Flying with EgyptAir soon. Here's everything you need to know before you head to the airport. Egypt emoji. EgyptAir, the national flag carrier of Egypt, offers quick and flexible ways to check in, online, via mobile, or at the airport. In this video, we'll guide you through 10 easy steps to make your check-in smooth, save time, and avoid stress. Watch till the end for expert travel tips that will make your EgyptAir journey even easier. Online check-in availability. EgyptAir's web check-in opens 48 hours before departure and closes 90 minutes prior for most flights. Access it via EgyptAir.com by entering your booking reference, PNR, and last name. This service is ideal for e-ticket holders, allowing you to confirm details, select seats, and receive an electronic boarding pass via email, saving time at the airport. Step-by-step online process. Start on the home page under check-in, input your PNR and surname, then verify passenger info, including API for international flights. Choose seats from an interactive map, add extras like meals or lounge access, and confirm. If traveling with baggage, note it for drop-off, otherwise, head straight to security with your digital pass. Mobile app check-in. Download the free EgyptAir app, iOS/Android, for on-the-go check-in, available 48 hours to 90 minutes before departure. It mirrors the website but adds push notifications for gate changes and real-time updates. Domestic flyers from Cairo International can use it exclusively, with boarding passes stored in your wallet app for seamless scanning. Airport counter check-in. For those preferring in-person service, arrive at EgyptAir counters 3 hours early for international flights or 2 hours for domestic. Present your passport/ID, ticket confirmation and any visas. Staff will issue boarding passes, tag baggage and handle upgrades. This is mandatory for passengers needing assistance or with special needs. Self-service kiosks. Available at major hubs like Cairo, CAA, New York, JFK, and London, LHR. Kiosks allow quick check-in from 48 hours out. Scan your passport or enter PNR, print your boarding pass and bag tags, then proceed to bag drop. They're user-friendly but may require staff help for complex itineraries. Time requirements by route. Domestic flights require check-in by 60 minutes before departure, international by 90 minutes. Boarding gates close 30 to 45 minutes prior, depending on the airport. Late arrivals risk denied boarding, so factor in traffic. EgyptAir recommends extra time during peak seasons like Ramadan or summer holidays. Baggage handling during check-in. Weigh and tag bags at counters or kiosks, max 23 kilograms per piece for economy. Prepay excess via online check-in to avoid fees, for example, $50 to $100 per bag. Liquids over 100 milliliters must be in checked luggage. Declare valuables. For connecting flights, through-check baggage is standard on EgyptAir codeshares. Seat selection and upgrades. During online or app check-in, view and reserve seats for free in your class, extra for premium. Economy offers standard choices, business/first have more options. Upgrades via miles, Sinai Miles program, or cash can be requested here, subject to availability. Early check-in boosts chances. Special passenger guidelines. Unaccompanied minors, 5 to 12 years, infants, wheelchair users or pregnant passengers, beyond 28 weeks, cannot use online check-in and must go to counters for assisted service. Provide medical certificates if needed. Service animals require advance notification. They're accommodated free, but documented during check-in. Restrictions and tips. Online check-in is unavailable for flights from certain airports, for example, some EU hubs due to regulations, or group bookings over 9 passengers. Print boarding passes if your phone battery is low, and carry ID always. Pro tip: join EgyptAir Plus for priority lanes and faster processing. If issues arise, call +2209 007 0000 or use live chat on the site. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment to our channel. Thank you for watching.